I'm inspired by art, living in London, going around, taking a look at what others are doing. I'm inspired by my own family, by music, by literature, everything. Anything can be an inspiration. Hi, I'm Alamelu Annamale, and I teach visual culture and art and design on the foundation degree. I think visual culture is a really good the foundation students because they a subject that both design and business students do. It helps the students to look at the way images are used in the world. So for graphic design students, it would be about how they can produce images and communicate through images. Whereas for the business students, it would be about marketing and how they can use images to communicate through the world. Foundation teaching in foundation, this is the first kind of place where the students come. They come from very different backgrounds and different age groups. Introduce them to or reintroduce them into the system of education. I think that's the most different ways of thinking, and to introduce them to all sorts of subjects and culture as well. I think that's the best part. One piece of advice that I would give to students who pursue art and design is to have the motivation. The practical field, when you move on from studying, you need to have the motivation to keep going and to do, because the career future is kind of difficult to navigate. So to have the self-motivation. What I would tell a student who is starting out in art and design is that to stay true to yourself. I think what everyone wants to make a name for themselves, but you kind of get lost in the world where you want to copy others and think that because that's what's working. But you will take your time to realize that what you're interested in, that you will find people who are interested in what you're interested in. So stick to what you like and to stay original.